Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make 20-minute chickpeas curry. We can serve it along with any dishes. Very tasty when served along with rice, rotti, chappathi or puttu. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of chickpeas. We have washed and soaked chickpeas for 8 hours. Add 1 sliced onion, 3 to 4 chopped garlics, half inch size chopped ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame and then 4 whistles on medium flame. After 6 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Chickpeas have cooked well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 2 dry red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Now add this to the curry and mix it well. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on high flame until you need the right thickness. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. 20-minute chickpeas curry recipe is ready.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
We can serve it along with any dishes. Very tasty when served along with rice, roti, chappathi or puttu.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.